Happy Wednesday, setters! Last night I posted that we were planning to short the euro against the US dollar. However, this morning I said I'm not gonna do that anymore because picture change. One of the members or a few of the members raised the question, why are you not taking the trade? Is the downtrend on euro dollar? However, market is telling me something is not adding up. This is called market correlation. When I woke up, the first thing I saw, Kiwi was going up against the US dollar. And then I saw Aussie also went up against the US dollar. My main plan was to buy the US dollar and then find the weakest to sell, which is euro. However, two of the pairs, Aussie, Kiwi, was showing strength. So therefore, I didn't want to do that. One more thing that I saw as well, it is the Hang Seng, the stock indice. It went up over 2.5% in the morning. So when indices, stock market, to show bullish, it's actually bearish for US dollar. That's why I canceled the trade. If you'd like to learn more, do follow us on our Simple Trading Program Facebook group. I'll put the link in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks so much for watching.